Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and maybe replace the headlights on Mercedes ML W164. The headlights are held by two bolts, but in order to get access to one of the bolts, we need to remove the front bumper. The front bumper is held by a couple of bolts on top, on the bottom, and on the side where the wheels are. We can see there is two bolts, one here and one there on that side, and two more bolts on the other side, one there and one there. There's also another couple of bolts holding the bumper. There's one on this side, just underneath, just behind the wheel arch liner. So in order to get to that bolt, we need to loosen the wheel arch liner so that we can get to it, and the same on the other side. There's also a couple of bolts holding the front bumper on the bottom side. Their front bumper is held to the engine under tray. In my case, that engine under tray is already removed, so there's no bolts holding it. Now that the wheel arch liner is loose, I'll show you where the bolt is holding the bumper to the wing. The bolt is just somewhere there. And it's the same on the other side. Now we're going to remove that bolt. The bolt actually broke, that's only the head that I removed, but it's okay. Next I'm going to remove the bolt on the other side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now I'm going to remove the upper bolts of the front bumper, the two on this side and two on the other side. Now that the bolts are removed, next I'm going to remove the grille, because the grille is held by two of these bolts. Next I'm going to start removing the bumper. Now that the bolt there is removed, the only thing we have to do is pull the bumper and it will come out. We do the same on the other side, just pull the bumper and it will unlock. And once all the bolts are removed, we can take out the front bumper. And that's the bumper out. Now that the front bumper is removed, we have access to the bolts of the headlights. One of the bolts is right there, the other one is on the bottom right there. And it's the same on the other side, one bolt there and one bolt right there. So next we're going to remove the two bolts. Now that the two bolts are removed, we're going to pull out the headlight. There is 3 or 4 electrical connectors that are connected to the headlight. We need to remove them. We need to remove them before pulling out the headlight completely. Maybe pull them out from behind the headlight. There is another electrical connector right there that we need to remove. After removing all the electrical connectors, we can take out the headlight. The same procedure is on the other side. And that's the headlight out. Replacing it is exactly the reverse procedure. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.